Right, 1037 New Beginnings, Padlock renovation video. Microwave on the front porch. It's gonna be a large trash out. Just furniture, cabinets, household goods, clothes. It's gonna be a small touch-up paint. It is softer tin. Right in the living room, got a medium-sized hole in the wall. It needs to be repaired. I see just a few small stains on the carpet. I believe it'll come out. It needs to be checked out. I have no power to check any appliances. The stove's missing a rack. It needs to be replaced. There's mildew, or I'm sorry, moisture issues inside of the refrigerator and the freezer. It may come clean. If not, the refrigerator needs to be replaced. Carbon detector isn't working. You need to change the batteries. If that doesn't work, replace the carbon. Inside the bathroom, missing sink stopper. It needs to be replaced. Toilet paper holder's tight. Toilet's tight. Seat's broken. It needs to be replaced. Shower has a shower head. Shower rack is loose. It needs to be repaired. The hall closet door will not open. It needs to be repaired. Shelf and hanger nose tight. That's about it.